Now, good morning, everyone. Now, today's our lecture is concerned about another process, but completely different process occur during photosynthetic of green plants. That is photorespiration. रेस्पिरेशन का मतलब होता है ब्रेक होना, और फोटोसिंथेसिस बोले तो प्रिपेयर होना. बट दिस इज अनदर प्रोसेस, दैट मीन्स सम ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट जो रिलीज ब्रेक from the process, given out from the process in presence of light. This is different or completely different process, and this is also called as wasteful process. Wasteful process means photorespiration. Photorespiration means it occurs under the condition like high temperature, bright light, high O2 concentration as well as low CO2 concentration in atmosphere. कारण की ही प्रोसेस घडते ह्या फोटोसिंथेटिक प्रोसेसच्या वेळेस CO2 ॲटमॉस्फिअर मधून येणं अपेक्षित आहे आणि O2 हा रिलीज होणं अपेक्षित आहे. बट ड्यू टू इम्बॅलन्स ऑफ और एक्सचेंज ऑफ इम्बॅलन्स ऑफ O2 and CO2 of green plants and atmosphere, such type of wasteful process occur, and it occurs always in a high temperature condition. Minimum or maintained condition, atmospheric or physical factors maintain atmospheric condition also helpful to the maintain processes of green plants. But due to imbalance, due to unsuitable conditions such as high temperature, bright light, as well as high O2, as well as low concentration of CO2 in atmosphere, causes photorespiration process, and it is wasteful process linked with C3 pathway, where instead of fixation of CO2 it is given out. की C3 pathway मध्ये CO2 हा ॲडिशन होणं अपेक्षित आहे, आणि ॲडिशन होतं, परंतु ह्या प्रोसेसच्या वेळेस ह्या रिॲक्शनमधून क्लोरोप्लास्टमधून रिलीज होत त्या कार्बन मायटोकॉन्ड्रियामधून जो 100% जो CO2 प्रोसेसमध्ये रेग्युलेट होतो आहे, त्यामधला 75% हा युटिलाइज होतो, मध्येच राहतो, म्हणजे प्रोसेसमध्ये राहतो, आणि त्यामधला 100% मधला जो 25% जो CO2 आहे ब्रेक होतो, अँड दॅट CO2 गिवन आउट इन ॲटमॉस्फिअर फ्रॉम मायटोकॉन्ड्रियन region. This is the end theme of end process or main process of photorespiration. And CO2 released from the process goes in atmosphere. This is completely different process than natural or जनरल प्लांट प्रोसेसेस. की C3 पाथवे मध्ये लिंकिंग वेस्टफुल प्रोसेस घडते, जिथं की where instead of fixation of O2 he given out होता है. दिस इज कॉल्ड ॲज फोटो रेस्पिरेशन. आणि ही प्रोसेस घडते कधी, ह्या कंडिशनच्या वेळेस. कधी की हाय O2 किंवा ब्राईट कलर लाईट असेल किंवा हाय टेम्परेचरच्या कंडिशनमध्ये, ॲज वेल ॲज लो CO2 कॉन्सन्ट्रेशनमध्ये. नाव बट दिस प्रोसेस फोटो रेस्पिरेशन always occur in 3 cell organelles, such as partly occur in chloroplast, partly occur in peroxisome, and partly occur in mitochondria. Process starts from chloroplast, and all these cell organelles present in the cytoplasm of the green cell, okay, and starts from Calvin cycle in a chloroplast, RUBP, ribulose monophosphate, ribulose biphosphate of Calvin cycle undergoes carboxylation. That means addition of CO2 from atmosphere. One carbon add in the form of CO2, add with RUBP, ribulose biphosphate, and they form phosphoglycolate plus PGA, and this phosphoglycolate plus PGA undergoes dephosphorylation. phosphate group release हो रहा है, then they convert into glyoxylate, and up to the formation of glyoxylate, this occur in chloroplast. After this process, glyoxylate as it is transfer from chloroplast towards the glyoxylate towards peroxisome. Another cell organelle present near to the chloroplast. Then due to addition of glyoxylate inside the peroxisome, glyoxylate convert into glyoxylate plus addition of H2O2, and due to addition of H2O2 on glyoxylate inside the peroxisome, they convert into glycine amino acid. Okay, and this glycine, up to the formation of glycine occurs, this process occur in peroxisome, and glycine as it is transferred from peroxisome towards the mitochondria. Mitochondria is another cell organelle present near to the peroxisome, and this glycine as it transfer glycine towards mitochondria, after or in addition to the glycine inside the mitochondria, 100% of some of the CO2 or from glycine, NH3 as well as CO2. Here main is CO2 released from the glycine. That means that glycine comes from peroxisome, add with mitochondria, then CO2 released from the glycine and released in atmosphere. This is lost. CO2 मेटाबॉलिक ह्यामधला जो प्रोसेस आहे, प्रोसेसमधून घडलेला जो CO2 आहे, that CO2 release from the mitochondria, and they are wasteful, goes in atmosphere, given out from the process. Hence this photorespiration is also called as wasteful process. And remaining factor of glycine undergoes addition of removal of hydrogen, and they add with NAD and form NADH. Due to removal of hydrogen from glycine, again convert into serine, another one of the amino acid, and as it is serine transport from mitochondria onto the peroxisome, then serine convert into, by the action of peroxisomic enzymes, they convert into hydroxypyruvate, that means hydroxypyruvic acid, and this hydroxypyruvate convert into glycerate with removal of hydrogen. ह्याच्यामधून एक हायड्रॉक्सीपायरुवेट मधला हायड्रोजन एक रिमूव्ह होईल, सॉरी, ॲडिशन ऑफ हायड्रोजन फ्रॉम NADH मधला एक हायड्रोजन ॲड होईल कशावर, हायड्रॉक्सी पायरुवेट वरती, आणि या NADH मधला एक हायड्रोजन इकडे ॲड झाल्यामुळे त्याचं रूपांतर NAD मध्ये झालं, आणि त्या NAD अगेन बिल्डअप व्हायला दुसऱ्या त्या प्रोसेसकडे जाईल. नाव NAD मधला एक हायड्रोजन ॲड झाला की हायड्रॉक्सीपायरुवेट कन्वर्ट इनटू ग्लायसरेट, and up to the glycerate formation this occur in a peroxisome, and glycerate as it is transferred from peroxisome to again chloroplast, and after that glycerate undergoes phosphorylation. ये ATP का एक फॉस्फेट ऐड हो गया ग्लाइसरेट के ऊपर, और ट्राइफॉस्फेट था एक गया तो वो डाइफॉस्फेट रहा, adenine diphosphate remains, and due to phosphorylation this in glycerate that convert into PGA, phosphoglyceric acid, and this phosphoglyceric acid is a connecting link of Calvin cycle, where complex food material prepared in a chloroplast, and finally link of reaction, that is ribulose biphosphate, again ready for further process. But this wasteful process always occur in the plants, that is called photorespiration, in under the condition of high temperature, bright light, high O2 and low concentration of CO2. This is all about photorespiration process and wasteful process, that is called photo and respiration. That's all. Thank you.